Welcome to our latest video where we bring you the top 7 best drone for kids. Whether you're a beginner looking to get into the world of aerial photography or an experienced pilot on a budget, we've got you covered with some incredible options that won't break the bank. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of affordable drones together. All the links are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell. Let's go. Introducing the Mini UFO Drone with LED light gesture, the perfect toy for flying enthusiasts of all ages. With its sleek design and advanced features, this drone will take your flying experience to new heights. With an easy-to-use remote control, you can fly the Mini RC UFO Drone with precision and ease. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, this drone is sure to impress. And with its cool LED lighting, you'll be able to see the Mini RC UFO Drone even in low light conditions. It adds a whole new level of excitement to your flying experience. Charging the Mini RC UFO Drone is convenient and safe with its USB charging feature. You don't have to worry about replacing batteries every time you want to fly. The Mini RC UFO Drone has a unique spherical design that provides 360 degrees protection of the propeller blade. This helps to prevent damage to the drone and keeps it flying smoothly. So what are you waiting for? Take your flying experience to new heights with the Mini RC UFO Drone with LED light gesture. It's the perfect toy for anyone who loves to fly. Introducing the XT8 4K dual-camera folding drone, your ultimate flying companion for capturing stunning aerial footage and exploring new heights. With its 4K HD pixels, you can capture breathtakingly vivid photos and videos from high above. And with its gravity control and speed adjustment features, you can maneuver the drone with ease. Need a different perspective? No problem. The XT8 has dual camera switches to quickly switch views mid-flight. Want to fly hands-free? Use the trajectory of flight feature to map out a predetermined route and let the drone take care of the rest. Control every aspect of the XT8 with a mobile app. From air pressure fixed height to do 4G signal, everything is just a tap away. Worried about taking off and landing? The XT8 has a one-click takeoff/landing button for hassle-free liftoff and touchdown. Watch your aerial footage unfold in real time with the XT8's HD video transmission feature. Show off your aerial skills with the XT8's 360 degrees rollover feature. And when it's time to head back to base, simply hit the return home button and watch as the XT8 comes back to you with ease. The XT8 4K dual-camera folding drone, your ultimate flying companion for capturing stunning aerial footage and exploring new heights. Introducing the XT8 Mini Drone, the 4K professional drone that takes your aerial photography to new heights. With its sleek and compact design, the XT8 Mini Drone is perfect for capturing stunning photos and videos from the sky. Let's take a closer look at its features. First off, the drone has all the essential controls you need for smooth flight. If you're feeling daring, the XT8 Mini Drone can also perform some impressive aerial stunts that will leave your friends and family amazed. And when the sun goes down, don't worry about losing track of your drone. The built-in LED lights make it easy to spot in low light conditions. The XT8 Mini Drone also features headless mode, which means you can always orient the drone in relation to yourself, even if it's facing a different direction. And if you ever lose sight of your drone, just press the one-button auto return feature to bring it back to you safely. For those smoother shots, the altitude hold mode keeps the drone stable at a fixed height, so you can focus on getting the perfect shot. So whether you're a professional photographer or just looking for a new way to capture your adventures, the XT8 Mini Drone has everything you need to take your creativity to new heights. Introducing the latest breakthrough in drone technology, the 4K Professional HD 6K ESC Camera FPV Drone. With its advanced features, this drone takes your aerial photography and videography to the next level. The drone is equipped with 360-degree intelligent obstacle avoidance, so you can fly with confidence knowing that it will avoid any obstacles in its path. Powered by brushless motors, this drone is both efficient and durable, giving you extended flight times and increased speed. Capture every detail with the 6K electrically adjustable dual camera system, allowing you to switch between wide-angle and zoom lenses for ultimate versatility. And when you're done flying, the convenient folding design makes it easy to pack up and take with you wherever you go. With optical flow positioning hover and electronic fence protection, this drone remains stable and secure even in challenging environments. Whether you're a professional photographer or just looking to take your hobby to the next level, The 4K Professional HD 6K ESC Camera FPV drone is the perfect tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. Get yours today and elevate your perspective. Introducing the Z908 4K Camera Professional Drone. Are you ready to take your aerial photography to the next level? Look no further than the Z908 4K Camera Professional Drone. This powerful drone boasts a 150-degree ESC camera that captures stunning high-definition footage. With its dual camera system, you can capture footage from multiple angles with ease. But what really sets the Z908 apart is its advanced obstacle avoidance system. It understands its surroundings and can avoid obstacles with precision, making it the perfect tool for capturing footage in tight or complex spaces. And with mobile phone control and real-time image transmission, you can fly the drone from anywhere and see exactly what it sees. The Z908 also has some fun tricks up its sleeve, like 360 degrees tumbling and gesture-based photo capture. Want to capture footage from a specific trajectory? The drone's trajectory of flight mode makes it easy. And when you're done, simply press one button and the drone will return to its starting point automatically. With long battery life and even MV production capabilities, the Z908 is the ultimate professional drone for capturing stunning footage from the sky. Order yours today and take your creativity to new heights. Introducing the XT8 RC Mini Drone. The perfect toy for both boys and girls who love flying drones. This incredible little drone is packed with features that make it easy to fly, even if you've never flown a drone before. The included remote control has 4 channels, allowing you to fly multiple micro drones at once. And with its one-key lift or landing and direction control, you'll be able to get your drone airborne in no time. You'll have full control over the drone's movements. Ascend, descend, forward, back, turn left and right, fly to the left, fly to the right, roll 360 degrees, and fly with UFO. You can even choose between 3 different speeds, giving you complete control over how fast you want your drone to go. With just the push of a button, you can turn your drone into an aerobatic machine, performing dazzling 360-degree flips that are sure to impress your friends. That's why this RC Mini Drone is designed with a child-friendly propeller shield to improve safety and durability. The aircraft battery is a 3.7 volts, 300 mAh module lithium battery, which can be recharged in just 80 to 100 minutes. And once it's fully charged, you'll have up to 6 minutes of flight time to enjoy. With a remote control distance of 40 to 50 meters, you'll be able to fly your mini drone far and wide. And with 2 different color options, blue or yellow. So why wait? Get your hands on the XT8 RC Mini Drone today and experience the joy of flying your own drone. Introducing the S91 4K Professional FPV Drone, the ultimate tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. With its advanced features, this drone is perfect for both amateur and professional photographers alike. The S91 offers a range of intuitive controls that allow you to easily maneuver the drone in any direction. Whether you're ascending or descending, moving forward or backward, or flying left or right, the S91 gives you complete control. And thanks to its throwable design, launching the S91 has never been easier. Simply toss it into the air, and it will automatically stabilize itself for flight. The S91 also features a rollable design, allowing you to perform impressive stunts with ease. And with its headless mode feature, you can fly the drone without worrying about its orientation. Need to switch gears quickly? The S91 offers fast and slow gear modes, so you can adjust your speed on the fly. Plus, with its one-key return feature, the S91 will automatically fly back to its takeoff location at the touch of a button. And if you're looking for some fast-paced action, the S91's fast rotation feature allows you to perform quick 360-degree spins. And when you're ready to land, simply press the one-key landing button, and the drone will automatically descend to the ground. Finally, the S91 makes takeoff a breeze with its one-key takeoff feature. Simply press the button, and the drone will automatically lift off the ground and hover in place. So there you have it, the S91 4K Professional FPV Drone, the ultimate tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.